Hey guys, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2020 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited in scorched orange and silver flux. This bike is absolutely beautiful. So we've got the dual disc brakes in the front. It does have ABS as well. We have the highway pegs, so you can stretch out a little bit more while riding, and nice big floorboards for the rider and the passenger as well. Got a cool little skull cover for our horn. We've got the engine guards in the back. Extremely comfortable passenger seat with those built-in speakers. Both saddlebags lock. So does the top case, and there's that additional luggage rack on the top as well. Some customizable controls. And of course, this has the 114 cubic inch engine in it. We run off a key fob. We are keyless. And miles are 12,792. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.